I do need to edit a YouTube video. Ideally, I could go to Starbucks and edit there, but I really don't want to do that in public. I don't know. I'm not pregnant, and the universe is blessing me for that. So I don't feel like doing anything, but I do want some carrot cake. I want carrot cake. I kind of want some coffee, or like matcha, or chai tea, or like a milkshake even. I need to go somewhere that has those things. Good morning, everyone. I woke up super late today. It's like 11 o'clock right now. My skin is breaking out right now, so I'm gonna do my full skincare routine. I don't really have anything planned for today. I think I'm just gonna edit a YouTube video and maybe do some drawing, do some painting. I haven't painted in a really long time. And so I kind of want to pick that hobby back up. So today, we're gonna do some painting. I feel like my nose piercing, I feel like I should take it out because it hurts pretty bad. And I think it's been bleeding, but honestly, I can't tell if it's my allergies making my nose bleed or if it's my nose piercing. I feel like, I'm thinking I should take it out and then just order the fake one on Amazon. Because I feel like it's a part of my identity. Like, I'm so used to it. I don't think I look good without it. I don't think I'm going anywhere today. No shopping for today. No grocery shopping or clothes shopping or shopping of any kind. Just living. Oh, I have to do my chores. Okay, we do have a to-do list today. It's edit YouTube video, do chores. I think that's it. Literally left my credit card at Starbucks. I literally forgot it, so now I have to drive all the way back, get my credit card. This is the most embarrassing thing of my life. It's because, actually, I can't even make up an excuse. It's both of our faults. It's the guy's fault and my fault, because I should have remembered my card, because it's my card, it's my credit card, but he didn't give it to me. He gave me my drink in a pup cup first, and then I forgot to get my credit card. Because he was like, have a nice day. See you next time, whatever the heck. And then I slowly pulled off. As I was pulling off, I was like, something's wrong. I feel like I'm forgetting something. And I literally pulled off so slow. But I thought that he gave me my credit card. Like, I literally thought that he did. Ugh, so stupid.
nasty.
It do taste kind of weird.
Okay, our cups can kiss now. I'm sorry. No. I'm sorry. I
don't know whether to be happy or scared that I'm the only one here. It doesn't really feel like a peaceful vibe right now because I'm so scared. Why am I the only one here? Is this not the right time of day? Oh my god, I think it's like 5 o'clock right now. I'm the only person out here. It's usually somebody out here. We're back. Oh, it's hot. I wanted to stay for longer, but it's so hot, like I literally can't do it. I'm a bit scared because my allergies have been acting up this morning, so hopefully I'm fine. I mean, I should be fine. I'm not like allergic to cats, but I just need to not like touch my face, touch my eyes, and it'll be fine. It'll be fine.